Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on mentions on pins you saved on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here and now click settings and now click notifications and now click on Pinterest and here find mentions, just click on it and it should be turned on. And that's how to turn on mentions on pins you saved on your account on Pinterest easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.